What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to be going over Trias. It's been a while since I've done a Trias update. A couple weeks actually. I took a little bit of a break from posting YouTube videos. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I've been fairly active there as well. So you guys still know my updates on Trias and what I've been thinking about it. But let's go ahead and dive in and do a detailed video of what I think Trias is doing and where I think it potentially could be going. Guys, first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So don't blindly follow anything I say or do. I'm not an oracle. I don't have a crystal ball. I am basing my analysis off of Elliott wave principle and the theory of Elliott wave. It's not set in stone, so anything I say can change based on what price action does and validations. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I will be posting regular updates as well on Trias. So if we do invalidate something or something looks a little fishy compared to what I'm saying here, hopefully you guys will catch that tweet and you'll be able to react accordingly. But anyways, let's hop into Trias. So I'm going to hop into the micro first. This is the 4 hour. And then at the end of this video, I will jump into a macro view, just real quick, of where I think Trias is going over this next cycle, or to finish this current cycle, I guess I should say. But here's where I believe we are. So I believe we have a one wave in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a WXY, which is the green count, to create our two wave. And it's looking promising that the bottom is in. So I say that with caution because we are certainly at a pivotal point with Bitcoin getting very close to invalidating its bearish wave down. So, but it has not invalidated that yet. So we still have potential downside looming over us. But as markets bottom in reverse, obviously that is a point where, smart money can enter and make decent gains on the next wave that's about to happen if you have proper risk management in place. So I have entered Trias. I averaged in about $3.50. But I do have proper risk management in place in case the trade does go against me. That way I can buy lower if that happens. So let's hop in. Again, I see this entire structure here from this point to this point in that green box. I see this entire structure from this top to the C, or the blue 5, which is the Y wave, which put in our 2 wave as a corrective structure. This happens to be a running flat is what this structure is. So zooming in a little more here, this structure breaks down, this Y breaks down as such. It's an A, B, and then a C wave. So you've got your red ABC to create your 3-wave A, a WXY to create your 3-wave B, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4. That is in the wrong spot. 5 to put in your C, to put in your Y, to put in your 2. So if this holds true and this structure does not break down, that is the bottom, right about $2.98, $3. And if that's the case, this is what I currently see this count as a 1. This is a running flat 2 again, 1 ABC 2, and then a 3, and then this should be your 4 wave here. And you could potentially, your 5th wave, if you just have a regular 5th wave, if it's not extended, I would imagine this will go to around $5 before it corrects. It has an ABC down to create a 2 wave, but you could have a wave 5 extension because depending on where you put your fibs, this 3 might be a little shallow of 1618. So if we do have a wave 5 extension, that could take us up to 662. So my target for the 5th wave is anywhere from $5 to about 660-ish. So that is my ultimate target. If we are indeed bottomed and we are reversing currently, this would be our one wave of our final 5th wave structure up to our macro 3 wave, which at that point, I would imagine we will go into a fairly large bear trend that could last, a couple years, but we will see. So that is what I'm viewing this as currently. And if you zoom out on that structure just a little bit, this is assuming we do not have a wave 1 extension. You would basically put in your 1 wave around 511. Your 2 wave would correct down to, $3.50 to $4. Your 3 wave up would be around $10. Your 4 wave correction, and then your 5 wave up to create ultimately your macro 1 of this entire 5th wave structure at about $12 or so. And then you would have your 2 wave correction, which could be 618, 786, or 0.5 retracement, which could take you down all the way to $5, $6, $7. So zooming out, I have got, and this is, to me, in my opinion, this is honestly, sounds crazy, a conservative target for your 3 wave at $250. My guess is if this count is correct, we will actually extend further than 250 for our 3 wave, but time will tell, and I will be absolutely happy with $250. If it does get there, then we'll have a 4 wave correction and then a final 5th wave up to $500 or so. But I will not be holding during this 4 wave. I will sell the 3 wave and then hopefully buy the bottom of the 4 wave in order to ride the 5th wave back up. As you can see, we have got a bullish divergence here that has formed. This thing has been in the making for 237 days. So if this does play out like I anticipate it, this next move and this next run for Trias will be extremely explosive. So hopefully this is an accurate count, and hopefully this plays out. So we'll see what happens. Hope you guys enjoy. See ya.